Let's move on now to the Amazfit Neo. I totally love it. A lot of interesting things in this. First of all, very, very retro. And retro, of course, right now is big. Looks like those old Casio watches that we used to wear when digital watches were a big deal. They've done a great job with it, but it's got good features also. Plus, a 28-day battery life.
If you are a 90s kid, then you should definitely stick around till we finish this review. We are sure that the watch on your screen does remind you of the good old days, but it is ahead of its time. Well, at least in terms of the tech that it packs in. This is Huami's Amazfit Neo. You won't need a thrust capacitor to relive the good old days with this one. So let's dive in our review. Amazfit Neo is one of the lightest smartwatches in the market. The watch looks great and sits comfortably on the wrist. However, we feel Huami could have done a better job with the build quality. The watch does feel plasticky at times. The old school design did make us skeptical in regards to how we will interact with it. After all, the majority of the smartwatches we review have an interactive display. Surprisingly, it did not take us very long to understand how to play around with the buttons on the Amazfit Neo. In no time, we were able to master all the controls on this unique smartwatch, and it was a smooth sail from there on. Now, this isn't an R-rated watch, but makes a beep sound every time you press a button. The watch comes with backlit support, which you can use by pressing the back button. The backlit support also comes to play when you turn on the lift to wake functionality. The digits on the display look bold and clear, and it will be easy to look at the watch even in direct sunlight. The circular cutout on the display is where the watch indicates the various built-in features it comes with. You can measure your heart rate constantly or while you exercise. The heart rate sensor is fairly accurate and we have no complaints there. You can also monitor your step counts and even receive app notifications. The watch won't read out to you the entire notification, but simply say the word app followed by a beep. Oh, did you mention it gets annoying? Cool. Much like all the other products by Amazfit, this unique smartwatch can also be paired with its companion app dubbed as Zepp. The app looks neat and you can keep a track of your fitness goals using it. Zepp app shows you the steps you have walked, the number of hours you have slept, and the data for calories you burned throughout the day. You can also play around with some basic features that the Amazfit Neo is capable of from the app. Amazfit claims that this smartwatch can last 28 days on a single charge, and we have a reason to believe them. In 1 week of our testing, the watch lost just about 25% of juice. Great battery life will keep you away from Neo's charger, which is good because the charging cable is too small and honestly a bit impractical. The spec sheet of the Amazfit Neo is definitely not of a smartwatch, but rather a more fun fitness band. If you don't want to go for a regular fitness tracker and appreciate the retro charm, then this is the watch for you. You can get the Amazfit Neo for a price of Rs 2,500, which keeps it a very solid option if you are planning to buy a fitness tracker.